from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Toyota Avensis here on a 2006 plate. Just doing the registration lamp, both of them. Now this is quite a simple procedure. I've already taken the cover off. So the cover goes around here. To take the cover out is quite a simple procedure as well. All you do, just pull it. And then this one's stuck. Oh yeah, there is it. The clip has just gone over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to use a screwdriver or something. No, that's it. And it's stuck on the other side as well. Okay, so it had to be an odd one. That's it. Here we go. So this was the clip that was stuck. But all you do, take it out. That's the plug right there. That's the plug right there. It is a 501 bulb. So if you did want one, you can find a link for it in the description. Just here. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And there is a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. I'm just gonna put the bulb in. So I'm working on my own. So got a new bulb. Put that in. We're just gonna check the lights, make sure it's working. Now you can see that is working, but the other one isn't. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna do the other one as well, but it's exactly the same procedure. So when you put it back in, twist it to your left, that's it, job done. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do definitely click the special thanks button as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.